Tell them to follow Ashton Small's.
All right, we're going to follow Ashton Small's.
Did they post up on all platforms already?
That's why she came back to get you to unlock her thing.
Okay, where's she at?
No, she did. Huh?
4, 3, 2, 1, go.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24,
25, 26, Ash.
27, 28,
All of them?
29, 30, 31, 32,
33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. You out, you out, you out, you out. 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. Crazy. Something crazy.
Nice, bro. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice one.
All right, what we got next? Come on. What we got? What we got? He's the narrator.
All right, we got it, man. On the competition, you can say one that.
Too easy. Too easy. Tell him we do that all day.
Yeah.
We do that all day.
Yeah.
All day.
All day.
Come on, man.
Yeah. Go easy.
All right, hallelujah.
Love, brother. You looking good, kid. Oh my God. Brother, come on, bro. You making us look bad, bro. I gotta go put on a jacket now, bro. God damn, bro. Yeah, let's do a picture, my bad. You ready?
I don't know.
Right here?
Let's go. Yeah. Come on.
Hey, come on, what we got?
There's a guy they say can pick up anyone. Pick him up with 2 hands. Pick him up off the ground.
Really?
But to make it look like it's surprise, but we ask you all the respect. He'll just do it randomly. Yeah?
Do it to me.
Yeah.
Tell him to come here.
Right. Yeah, he's got it. Pop.
Apparently there's somebody who can pick up anybody. There's somebody who can pick up anybody. Hey, you better tell Alpha first. Y'all better tell Alpha first what's going on. Y'all better. Oh! Okay. That boy stole. God dang, I didn't even know where he was. I was waiting for him. I just took lift. God dang. Let's go. Love, bro. Let's do a picture. Let's do a picture. Y'all two look crazy. Oh God, you ready? Ready? Right here. Mean mug though. Mean mug. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey, what we got next? Love, brother.
The barbell. But the rest of you guys, let's keep the space.
Okay.
Just a warm up right here.
Too easy.
Come on, bring me some 45.
Too easy.
Yeah. There you go.
Do it easy.
Okay.
Listen, we got 225. Don't get tired on this weight. Don't get tired on this weight. And then we'll do something for the ladies afterwards.
All right, rest of the guys, let's back up, make some room, okay?
Those 45s on. Yeah.
Let me get those 45s. Ramon, let me get those 45s.
Chad, where's Corona? Chad, what you think we got? How many do you think we got? Drop the number in the chat. What's going to be the highest today?
Who wants to go? How many people want to go for the challenge? Oh yeah, we got one more here. I don't think Harry's going to go. Bobby is going. Axie, my guy, Axie, over here. Give me.
So a number I'm gonna call out. I think the highest number chat that we'll do probably will be 15. Billy, I need a chat in my hand at all times.
No worries, I got you.
Who's got?
So one at a time,
Come on up. Somebody needs to get it.
Let's give enough room for your cameras. Hey, full extension on that barbell. Full extension. Let's get good rest. Good rest. Good rest. So rest now. Who's got the warm-up?
Easy.
Alright, you ready to go?
Yes.
You ready to go? Alright, let's load him up.
Where's Dante's phone? Where's Dante's phone? Remove that hunger from our chat. What?
225. Give me full extension. As many as you can do. We're going to count the rest for you, okay? Full extension on the rest. Let's go.
Anybody sharing hate, just go to church. Let's get it. All right, number one, get it up for him. Get it up. Give me a count.
All right, let's go. Give him a count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Come on.
10. Get him up. 11. 12. Easy. Do it. 13. Love.
Show me what you got, bro.
Let's go.
Show me what you got.
All right, we got Black. Give it up.
Let's go, please. Everything you got,
1, 2, 3,
Come on, bro.
4,
Come on.
5, 6,
Do life for
7,
you.
8. Too easy.
Come on.
Too easy. 13. Come on. Too easy.
Come on, that's one.
Let's go, boy. Too easy.
Come on. Yeah. 15. Solid.
Let's go, Bobby.
Uh-oh. Give it up.
Let's go, bro.
Easy.
Come on. Easy 1, 2,
2,
come on.
3,
Come on.
4,
Lightweight.
5,
Come on.
6,
That's it.
7, 8, 9,
Come on.
10,
Come on.
11, 12, 13,
Too easy for you.
14, 15, 16, come on,
You get more.
17,
Come on. Give me 3 more.
18, come on,
Up to 20.
19, come on.
That's 19.
Let me go. Let's go. Let's get this.
Oh, chat. I'm good.
Let's go, big dog.
Active.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Too easy. I'll go there. I'm no problem. Yeah.
All right, man, let's go. Let's see what we got.
Let's go.
There you go.
1, 2, 3. All the way up. All the way up. All the way up. All the way up. 8, 9. All the way up. All the way up. 15, 16, all the way up. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Come on, come on, come on. Come on.
Easy, boy. Come on now. One more rep.
Hey, come on.
Nice one, bro.
Hey.
Hey.
You gotta sit up all the way up, though. When you're taking a rip, lock out at the top, guys. Lock out at the top. Let's make it count.
Come on, bro. Let's go. Easy. Let's go.
Come on.
Come on, boy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9. Come on. 10. Come on.
That's it, man.
Ah. Who's next? All the way up. All the way up.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9.
Let's go.
10. Come on. Come on. 11. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, I'll take it.
Let's go.
Easy. I'm with you. I'm with you. All right, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. All you. All you. Come on. Come on.
Come back down, bro. Come on, get it.
All you. All you. All you. All you. Wow. Let me go real quick. You're going to do 30. Let me go first. Let me go first. You're going to do 30. How many you got? 30? Huh? 30? Ooh. I'm going to go 25. Or at least 22.
Go easy.
Do easy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
That's way.
Come on.
20,
Come on.
21,
Come on.
22,
Go easy.
23,
Come on.
24,
Come on.
25,
Do easy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
27.
Let's go. I'll get him. Hold on, wait. Wait.
28 reps.
Come on, hold on. Let's get it. Let's get it. 30. 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Come on. 22. Come on. All the way up. I'll take it. Come on. You got more. Hey, brother. Woo. Hey, boy, you look good, boy. What's your name? Boy, you look good, guys. Hey. Ah. 30. Hey, we need 30.
Yeah.
30.
Everything you got, son. Show me what you got.
He's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Give it that 22. Come on, you got it, you got it. Come on. 23, 24, come on. 25, come on. Ooh. You here. Come on. 26, come on. Come on. 27. Ah, he got 30. You got 30 easy. Brother. Love, bro. Ah, this one big. Ah. All right, last one right here. You got 30? Hey, look, do you got 30? You got 30? Huh? You got 30?
You got 30 you?
30.
30.
Last one.
Let's go.
Come on. Come on. 5, 6, 7, come on. 8, 9, 10, 11, come on. 12, 13, come on. 14, 15, come on. 16, come on. 17, come on. 18, come on. 19, come on. 20, come on. Let's go. That's easy. Come on. Let me see. My brother, where you at? Dark skin, bro, tall, where you at? The winner. You hit 26, 27 clean. And you had the bar in your way. I count that as 30 all day. This is the winner right here. What's your name?
King Henry.
E. Henry?
Yeah.
Give it up for E. Henry. Hey! Challenge number 2, let's get it. Challenge number 2, what we got? Hey, where the narrator go? Challenge number 2, let's get it. What we got?
Well done, guys. Real quick. That challenge is over. Real quick, my brother. Next week. Real quick, next week. What we got?
30 ball. 30 ball. Hey, look, wait, no, come here.
Welcome to Nigeria.
Where's the mic? Give me Mike. All right, this next one we're gonna do, you guys probably seen it before. We're gonna need a push-up challenge. Everybody can jump in. Look, I won't compete in this one because I already know who's gonna win. But we're gonna do it right here. Let's go ahead and get lined up.
What you got?
Push-up challenge. Just drop down where you're at. Let's get it. If you're competing, drop down where you're at right now. Let's get it. Come on. Smalls in the middle. Love, bro. Love. Right here. You right here. Hey, brother. Everybody facing this way. Right here. Face that way. Face this way. Face that way.
I got you.
Let's get it. Hey, we know. If you're going to compete, get on your knees right now. If you're competing, get on your knees in the middle. On your knees in the middle, right here. Come on, if you're competing.
Let's go together.
Everybody face towards the window. Face the window. Small, right here. Face the window. Everybody line up with small, though. That's it? Only 5 people? I guess everybody else is intelligent. We already know who's going to win this one.
Let's do it.
Teach them a lesson.
Let's go. It's too easy. All right, look. Listen to the rules. My guy's going to give you the rules. I want everybody to go down and up at the same time. Fully extend. What we got?
All right, full extension. We're going to go at the same time. We're going to call it rep by rep. Full extension. Make room. Let's go. Get on ball.
Too easy.
Let's go.
Too easy. Come on.
Let's get the position guys. Get your position real quick. All right, we're going to call it rep for
Ashton small.
in 5,
African Ashton Hall. Okay, okay. I'm with you. I'm with you.
1, go. 1.